Hello Chi, welcome back to the channel. Today is 18th September and the time is I have to leave for a bike trip tomorrow. I have to leave by 3 or 3:30 a.m. Tomorrow morning. Let's see how this trip goes. The last trip I did was in 2018. I have recently bought a new bike which I will show you once I start the trip. Last couple of weekends I was traveling to so many places to get the things done, basically the modification for the luggage setup and all. So I will show all the things which I am using as a luggage options. Yeah, I need to fit this Type-C mic which will go with the DJI Action, and need to fit this Sena 60S. The entire lining is open, so we'll get this fixed. इन सब में clothes हैं, medical kit है, and hydration bag, tank bag, one bag cover, this and this is toolkit. These two rain gears with a waterproof boot cover. These are some bungees, microfiber cloth, anti-fog spray, chain lube, chain clean, visor cleaner and interior cleaner. And this one is Pro Lube, fuel system cleaner, WD-40, chain cleaning brush, brake pads, front rear, sintered and ceramic, tire inflator, puncture kit, disc lock, some locks, heated grips. We'll see इसकी नीड पड़ती है या नहीं. कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्सेसरीज़ हैं बाइक पे, जो एक्सेसरीज़ वगैरह फिट है, रास्ते में अगर नीड पड़ेगी तो वहाँ पे यूज़ होगी. दिस वन इज़ अबे यार हेयर ड्रायर. हाँ, तो ये अगर कोई कपड़े या जूते वूते गीले हो जाते हैं तो दिस वन आर सेकेंडरी ग्लव्स. बाकी विंटर वाले इसी में हैं, एंड अलॉन्ग विद द विंटर लाइनर्स, कैप. सो दिस इज़ फॉर माई व्यू. I will mount it on the bike crash guard. These are Action 4 and GoPro batteries. These are both cameras. Some lights, memory card, earplugs, ND filter, wireless microphone, charging adapter, sunglasses and eyewear, knife and spoon, bag mount, sanitizer, Borolene, Vaseline and all, tank pack, some bungees for luggage tie down, pannier with waterproof covers. This one is the top box. Need to apply some reflective tapes on all these three panniers and top box. These are my main gloves. Soleil's recently launched Furious V3 full gloves, and riding pant along with Alpine Stars chest and back protector, and this one is the riding jacket and riding shoes. So, and then this one, this complete bag will go in the top box, and these will go in the panniers, and this will go in the tail bag. चलो पैक करते हैं, फिर मिलते हैं सीधा बाइक पे अभी.
3 hours later.
Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel Ronik VJ. Thank you guys. जय श्री राम, जयकारा वीर बजरंगी, हर हर महादेव। चल तो विमान कोलाहल हुई, जय रघुवीर कहते सब कोई। ट्रिप 0-0। चलो जी, थोड़ी फॉग आ गई, लेट इट बी क्लियर एंड जय करा वीर बजरंगी, हर हर महादेव। चलो जी।